morning, student. As you have done my body in the previous class, so today we will going to start our new chapter number 2, my body. Okay, so our body is made up of different parts. You know that our body is made up of different parts. Each part perform a different function. Body has two types of organ. External organs. External organs are that organs that can be seen. For example, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, feet. They are all external organs that can be seen from outside. Internal organs are that organs that cannot be seen from outside. That cannot be seen from outside. For example, lungs, heart, brain, stomach. We can't see these organs now. So these are internal organs because these organs are inside our body. So there are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, tongue, nose, skin. These are 5 sense organs. External organs are that organs that can be seen. For example, eye, ear, nose, tongue, feet. These organs can be seen from the outside. We can see the eyes, है ना? We can see the eyes of the person. We can see the ears also. We can see the nose also. We can see the tongue also. We can see the feet also. Students, I will also can see your things, like I can see your eyes, I can see your ear, I can see your nose, I can see your tongue, I can see your feet. So external organs are that organs that can be seen from outside. We perform different activity with the help of different organs. We use our legs and feet to dance, run, skip. We can use our hand also to perform various type of activity. We can write the notebook, we can eat the food, we can hold the things. So we can use our hand to perform these type of activities. So students, internal organs are that organs that cannot be seen from outside and it is inside our body. Such parts are called internal organs. For example, lungs, heart, brain and stomach are internal organs. Children, I can't see your lungs, I can't see your heart, I can't see your brain and I can't see your stomach because these parts are inside your body. So these are called internal organs and I will show you the picture of internal organs. Students, these are the pictures of the internal organs. Lungs. Lungs help us to breathe. Heart. Heart help us to pump our blood to all parts of the body. Brain is the controlling center of our body and it is in the head. ये हमारे head के अंदर होता है brain. Stomach help us to break and digest the food. It help us to digest our food. Like when we eat something na, so our food will break down and it get digested with the help of stomach. These are the functions of internal organs. As you have learned the spelling of body parts in your previous class, so we will going to revise it. Okay, so you will going to write the spelling of body parts in your notebook and I will give you some exercise also of this chapter. You will going to write that exercise in your notebook. Okay.